Hey everyone, on today's video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to join Meepcity Parties on Roblox. So first we're going to go to our app. So next we're going to search for Meepcity. As you can see, we're going to click on that. Then we're going to click on the tile as you can see, then play the button as you can see. So once it loads, this is the gameplay of Meepcity Parties. As you can see on the top left corner, there's the chat box. There are different buttons, top and bottom, you can use for your gameplay. As you can see, that tells you where you are and where you want to play, as well as this one button tells you which type of mood you're in, as well as this one tells you which friends you have online, your game friends, your offline friends, and your playground status. So it has different apps, as well as it gives you some codes, as you can see, and missions to go to. So this is the general Meepcity party. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, share for more, like for more. I hope to see you again. Enjoy.